Hey there, renovators. My name's Adam, and this is week 168 of my renovation on Iris Street. I mainly work on the closets this week. See how I've got nice handles on these doors now? That's not all I do, so without further ado, let's check it out. The goal for week 168 is to finish the closets. I start by cutting the curtain rods to length. I probably could have cut these on my miter saw, but they cut easy enough with a hacksaw. As I mentioned last week, each closet will have 2 curtain rods in an upper and lower configuration to maximize storage. With the rods dry fit into the supporting poplar rails, I clamp everything in place and affix the supports to the shelves with screws. I still have a few shelves to assemble, so I put them together and get them installed tonight as well. After a little organizing, here's how bedrooms 1 and 2 look with the shelves and curtain rods installed. I'll need to go through a major round of decluttering soon, but for now, at least the boxes with Charlie's stuff and my stuff are out of the sun porch and tucked away here. Hey guys, in this clip, as you can see, I just got back from my run. It is very cold in Colorado this time of the year, anywhere from 10 to 20 degrees, and as you can see, I've got some souvenirs in my beard. We could call them icicles, but I think we all know what's going on there. Anyways, it was a good run, and no matter the weather, I still get a run in. I ran in even colder than this, sub-zero temperatures, so it's always good to get a run in. On Sunday, I installed some magnetic catches to these doors, as well as installing their door handles. I must have not gotten these doors perfectly level because they have a tendency to drift to one side, a problem easily fixed with a magnetic catch. I install magnetic catches and handles in the master bedroom doors as well, before calling it a night. On Monday, I start the process of gluing together the walnut dining room chandelier. The main assembly consists of a mitered frame nested inside a perpendicular mitered frame. The glue up of such an assembly requires all the corner clamps I have, as well as 2 pipe clamps connected together for good measure to span the length. On Tuesday, some art from Great Big Canvas arrives. I ordered several different pieces so I can rotate out the art seasonally, but for now, I'm hanging these pieces. I have some incredible hand-painted art from my good friends Randy and Rick, but I'm saving those pieces just for my office. Actually, I'm really excited to hang those pieces, so stay tuned for those in a later episode. Back downstairs, I continue gluing the dining room chandelier assembly. Tonight, I'm gluing the vertical miters, which proved to be the trickiest part. That's a wrap for week 168. Thanks for watching, and until next week, happy renovating.